Identification and traceability are essential in today's world, not to mention the efficient management of electronic devices. To help you meet these needs, ST offers a new product, a Unique ID EEPROM. This is the user memory area, and here is the factory program locked 128-bit Unique ID. This ID is generated at our ST factory, and every ID we provide is guaranteed to be unique. Now, see how the Unique ID EEPROM can elevate your next design. You can use a Unique ID EEPROM to identify devices. I'll give you two examples. A Unique ID can verify if an accessory is genuine or fake. Now, imagine you're performing anomaly detection. A Unique ID will help quickly identify a specific device, streamline troubleshooting, and ensure accurate tracking of issues. You can use a Unique ID EEPROM to track and trace devices. A Unique ID helps keep track of how a project is used and maintained throughout its entire lifecycle, making it easier to monitor and service. You can use a Unique ID EEPROM to comply with reuse and repair regulations. Imagine you've used a Unique ID EEPROM. You can store and track maintenance history. This enables timely repairs, for example. ST Unique ID EEPROMs are backed by a 10 years longevity program. Densities range from 32 kbit up to 2 megabit, all are available in a S10 package. Interested? Request your samples now on our e-store.